Hi guys, it's Anais and welcome to my channel. I'm happy to present you today this Earth Day theme makeup. So if you want to see how I created this makeup look, then keep on watching. Firstly, I have cut a branch and I'm placing it the way I want on the side of my face. I'm using liquid latex to stick it on my face with a disposable sponge. I'm adding a piece of hydrophilic cotton on it and covering it with latex. I'm doing the same process all over the branch. And to make sure to not put any liquid latex on my eyebrow or on my hair, I'm using Vaseline to protect them. I'm adding smaller pieces of cotton across the main branch to create some roots, thinner and thinner as we get away of the trunk. Once liquid latex has dried out, I'm applying the Rimmel Match Perfection foundation all over my face. I'm using the Lace baking powder from Makeup Revolution to set my foundation in place and to make sure to not have any shiny area. With a white eye pencil on the other side of my face, I'm drawing the main lines. And filling them up with a light blue water-activated paint from Mehron Paradise. I'm also adding some on my hairline to not have some hard line, but a nice wash of color fading away. With a black eyeshadow, I'm drawing a line around the blue, creating an outline and a black shadow. With a dark blue eyeshadow, I'm trying to create some lighting effects by creating shadows inside the light blue. And I'm also placing some of it on my forehead as a contouring powder. With a brown eyeshadow, I'm blending the black shadow into the skin, and I'm also adding dimension to the drops to create some kind of light reflection across them. I mean, the light has to pass through them to a certain point and reverberates on the other side, so on my cheek. With a black water-activated paint, I'm drawing the outline of the water streams. With a white water-activated paint, I'm adding lighting points inside the drops and under them, but above the shadow. Taking back the blue eyeshadow, I'm placing it in the crease and on the lower lash line. I'm applying a blue shadow stick from NYX in the waterline. I'm drawing my wing liner using a Creme Eyeliner from e.l.f. Then I have applied 1 eyelashes and then the 3-in-1 mascara from Wet n Wild. On the inner corner, I'm applying a mineral loose eyeshadow from e.l.f. in the shade Angelic, which is a shimmery white. With a dark blue water-activated paint, I'm drawing 1 eyebrow, back to the other side of my face. I'm using the Supracolor palette from Kryolan and I'm applying the red grease paint generously around the roots. With the brown grease paint, I'm adding more intensity around the roots. And with the black, I'm adding really precise shadows only at the beginning of the roots. With a combination of beige and brown eyeshadows, I'm setting the grease paint in place, but also adding some color and texture to the roots, so they don't seem too clean. I'm using the Art in the Streets palette from Wet n Wild to redefine my crease in orange. My lower lash line and also the edges of my nose. The yellow of the Wet n Wild palette was not pigmented enough, so I'm using the satiny yellow Beamin from the Too Faced Life's a Festival palette on my lid, on the brow bone, on the cupid bow and on the bridge of the nose. Taking back a shadow stick from NYX, but this time in yellow, I'm coloring my waterline. I'm drawing my wing liner using a mix of black and red liquid lipstick. With a yellow water-activated paint, I'm creating some yellow mascara on my bottom and top lashes. Also taking back the red liquid lipstick, I redefine my brow in red. I'm adding liquid blood, mainly around the roots, but also on some of them. And with the coagulated blood, I'm creating a bigger and deeper injury caused by the growing up branch. I'm also adding some on the other places to clean off my face, to diffuse the pain and the injury, so to make it more cohesive. With a red eyeshadow, I'm adding red shadows on one side of my neck and blue shadows on the other side. I'm using a green lipstick from Makeup Revolution in the shade Atomic Serpent. Not the best lipstick in the world, but the color was the one I wanted for this makeup. I decided to also add green shadows on my neck. And finally, I'm adding pieces of hot glue, but cold while applied of course, on the drops to create embossed dimension. And that's it guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more upcoming videos.